Full SBB was implemented in 2024 for secondary schools as part of MOE's effort to nurture the joy of learning and develop multiple pathways to cater to the different strengths and interests of our students so they can achieve their full potential. The first full SBB cohort will be sitting for the Singapore-Cambridge Secondary Education Certificate, or SEC, examination in 2027. As students take more diverse subject combinations, MOE has also reviewed the admissions criteria for post-secondary pathways. We will update our posting system from 2028 and implement a new post-secondary admissions exercise, or PSE. The new PSE will transform the JAE, PFP, ITE, JIE to provide a single admissions process for graduates to apply for admissions to junior college, Millennium Institute, polytechnics, and ITE. All pathways and courses are available for selection on a single platform. Students can see all the courses that they are eligible for, and they can select and rank their choices based on their preference. Students will no longer need to keep track of various admissions exercises. The 2027 SEC cohort will receive the SEC results in January 2028 and apply for their post-secondary course options through this new PSE.